Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel again, Student Video Top Rated Seller. I'm going to teach you how you can cheaply set up a VPS for a website that is having an issues with the page speed. Okay, if you are on a shared hosting or any VPS currently, and you don't feel like it is the optimal performance that your site should have. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a VPS server at cheap price and put your website on it on any CMS like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, etc. Hosting we are talking about here is Vultr. They are the best cloud, the cloud instance providers in the market currently, and I have been with them since 2015, and they have the best worldwide data centers available with the fastest speed. How we are going to set up a fastest VPS at cheap price? Here you go. You have to sign up for the Vultr account first of all, and I have one here. First of all, once you have the account, we are going to deploy a server. Sorry about the noise in the background. There's work going on in my area, the construction work. If you are facing disruption, use a hand free. You know. Now we have like a cloud computer set up here, and from here you can choose a CPU technology. What I like is Intel high performance, and then the locations here available. We go with the default one, New Jersey. Yeah, here the you don't have to choose anything. Just go ahead and click on Marketplace. Okay, here we have like many options available in this search. We go ahead and search for WordPress. Okay, once you are here, you are just going to click WordPress, and you are going to choose what you want for your website. Of course, we need a 100 GB of NVMe storage. Two CPUs are enough for MB 4 GB RAM. Okay, here I'm going to deploy the server now with the. Here you can choose for what your WordPress email should be. I'm going to put my email address, the WordPress blog title here, geo near me, and this is the optional stuff. We just skip this one, and now here I just call it geonearme.com. Okay, server.geonearme.com. This is the host name. Now, once you are set up here, then we are going to click deploy now button. Okay, you can see that the instance now is going to be installed in the New Jersey location. What we have here, the OS as WordPress. It is going to take 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back here again. You can see the server is successfully added, and it is currently running at this. The charges are 0.05 the cents. So one thing that I like about Vultr is that it is not going to charge you for the whole month in advance. You just pay for what you have used. The charges the how many hours you use, these are the charges you have to pay them. Okay. You can also access the VPS server through root, and for this we use here the putty software. Let's see if it's working or not. It asks for the permission here, a root password, and has the root. Okay. Now that you're in your VPS server here, that means you have the full control over your server at VPS. You know. Now, what we are going to do is connect this VPS server with the domain that we have, geonearme.com. For this, I have a Namecheap account opened here, and you can just go ahead and change the name servers here. But first, you have to add your domain in the VPS or of your Vultr account, in your Vultr account. Okay, here you can just go ahead and products. By clicking in the products, you can uh, um, in the networks you have here the DNS. Okay, you can just head the domain here, but we have here geonearme.com. You see, and the IP address what we have here. That's going to connect your. That is going to give you the feasibility of adding the name servers at the domain registrar, whatever you have, namecheap, name.com, etc. Yeah, dnschecker.org, world's best website where you can check the DNS if they are updated enough. You can choose from here the name server. Sorry about my. Yeah, you see, we have Vultr name servers have been updated in the locations like USA and yeah, almost everywhere the location is updated. Or clear my DNS. cmd command flash DNS. Oh, sorry, ipconfig flash DNS ipconfig flash DNS. Yes, the Windows IP configuration for the flash DNS have been resolved. Let me just change. No, maybe the internet issues here. On changing the internet, your VPS root access is disabled because of security issues. You see, Vultr is very secure in terms of the minute you change the internet, it is going to disconnect you from the server. That's how secure Vultr is. Yes. On the another browser, we have like SSL issue now. We need to install the SSL in order to access. But anyway, I just proceed and took risk to run this and show you that the website is working now on a freshly fast VPS. Why is it keep showing the IP address? To redirect this IP address to a main domain, we have to update uh, there's a thing in WordPress called site URL, home URL. These are the two URLs we update in database. I'm going to do it from WordPress. Anyway, here's the password. I'm going to do it the easiest way, like I said, and going in this. Cookies are blocked, not supported by the by your browser. To fix this one, just refresh. Go back here and refresh this one. You will be able to access your dashboard. It's a tricky one, but anyway, you're here. As you're here, you just get the space in seconds. Okay. Now in settings, general settings, you have this WordPress address and site address. After adding the domain, you are going to be logged out from your account. See, now we have here the IP address is completely going gone. Now we just go ahead and let me close this one. It's disrupting. Access your server. Again, we have this error. Then that's because I haven't installed the cookies in this browser. Forget it. Just to make sure we have done it.